Alright, ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages and bots of all programming languages, HTML, Java, C++, Flash, whoever you are, whatever you are, welcome to the channel. Today, we are talking about hidden opportunities in the market, in the Pokemon market, just hidden opportunities. I guess you could apply it everywhere. So if you want the too long didn't watch, too long didn't read, hidden opportunities, fixation, feel like people are fixated on just what's hot, following the hype, seeing videos of people putting things out and just following that, not kind of, having their own opinions, own research, and then trusting yourself. A lot of people, they take other opinions as their own and not kind of trusting themselves. So that's the too long didn't watch, too long didn't read. Now, let's get into the actual video, the longer part. So, today's video, like I said, is about hidden opportunities in the market, Pokemon market, investing, sealed product, single cards, graded cards, whatever it may be. I feel like right now, since there's been a lot of hype of, prismatic evolutions, the new sets coming out, surging sparks, a lot of people feel like there are no more opportunities because all these products have rose in price, the cards, sealed product, graded cards, cases of things. There goes another poster. So yeah, I feel like many people don't think there are many opportunities now, and I think the opposite. I think there are still many opportunities, some are hidden, and it's taking a little more effort and kind of research or looking into things to kind of find these hidden opportunities that are still out there. And I think there's still many of them, maybe not as many as there were in the past, but I think there's still a lot of opportunities to be had. So with that, and going into kind of why people don't think there's any opportunities, goes into the fixation. They're fixated on the most hot or hyped product, or just looking at surging sparks, or say just looking at the booster boxes which have risen in price, but not looking at other sealed product or collection boxes or premium collections, ETBs, Pokemon Center ETBs, whatever it may be. They're kind of fixated on what's hot, where the money's, everyone's saying, or people saying this profit or all, they sold it for this, and kind of focused on that or just that product, and not kind of looking elsewhere on things that maybe have moved, but not to the extent that some of these newer sets and products have. And that is kind of the same with the hype. They're fixated on these products, these things that are going up in price substantially, and they're following the hype because that's all they see, are these people that have a lot of it or have been talking about it, or the people that just that talk about the price movements or what's been happening. So you see a lot more of those videos, and they start getting more popular when these products, sealed products, cards, whatever it may be, sets, move up in price. Kind of same thing with stocks, crypto, other alternative asset classes. You see when there's a big strong move or big strong percent gain, you see news headlines, articles about it. It's the similar in the Pokemon market, both sealed products, single cards, graded cards. When these crazy products shoot up in price, or I had the news about the Charizards, the first edition Charizards, hitting all-time highs, and so then people get focused and fixated on those singular product sets, and then they kind of almost blind themselves into not looking elsewhere. So and you start seeing a lot of videos, same stocks, crypto, Pokemon alternative asset classes, whatever, maybe people releasing videos saying, oh, this is good, this has gone up, or this is really strong, or a lot of how it's funny been going on lately. Every set now is Evolving Skies 2.0. First it was Stellar Crown was Evolving Skies 2.0. Then it's Surging Sparks is Evolving Skies 2.0. Then now it's Prismatic Evolutions. It's Evolving Skies 2.0 or 2.0, 20, version 20. So yeah, I feel like it's been a lot of it, and we won't know until later on. Nobody knows, what set's going to be good. With that, we could speculate. There could be data behind a set or product to support it doing really well and being that next big mover in the set. But we don't know until, we get there, until a length of time has elapsed, and then we see and look back and evaluate then. So let's see, make sure the video is still going. All right, we are still good. So yeah, you don't really see that till all the prices start rising, going crazy. That's when you see a lot of videos, people coming out posting about all the news, what's risen, what's hot, what's been selling, what's at new highs, selling like crazy. And then people, they don't look back, they get blinded into just that set and not looking at other opportunities, whether it be this block, Scarlet and Violet, last block, Sword and Shield, Sun and Moon. There's still a lot of opportunities out there, I feel like, in every block. It may not always be booster boxes, it may not always be collection boxes, it may not always be E2Bs, but there's still opportunities out there. It may, like I said, require more effort searching, but they are out there, and they are still out there, and people are acting like there's nothing else. You cannot buy anything now, there's no opportunities, everything's gone up in price, there's no availability of anything. But it's not that way. I feel like people sometimes just blow things out of proportion. And but if not, if you disagree with me, that's fine too. Feel free to leave your comments and thoughts, and yeah, I'd love to talk about it. But with that and people being blind out of it, I feel like a lot of people don't trust themselves. So my last point of trusting yourself. A lot of people, they think, or a set's coming out, or they do research on a product or set, and then it's then they get blinded, or people saying it's negative, and then they change their opinion on it because they saw a video or a bigger influencer, news articles, they have a stock, crypto, or company, and then all their research and their thoughts, they kind of throw it out the window and just listen to that one opinion of someone. Sometimes they might not even know them or ever seen or read their articles or videos or whatever it may be, and just take that opinion. Oh, they said it, on the media, it must be true. See, I feel like that comes from, I feel like we used to hold the media in high regards, and some of these individuals, like say regular news, whatever, I feel like we used to hold in higher regard, and then now it's become a lot more, what could get the most amount of views or clicks, what's going to be the hot clickbaity topic. And I feel like that's, in just general media nowadays, mainstream media. So it's a lot more what can be viewed more, what's get the emotions going. So a lot of people, they take these opinions, thoughts, and make them their own, and they don't trust themselves. So a lot of people, if they trusted themselves, their initial kind of outlook on something, so whether it be a stock, crypto, bonds, real estate, Pokemon, sealed products, single cards, they end up being right over the long term. It may not happen instantly, but over the long term they're right, and then they don't trust themselves, and then they either miss out or completely skip it, or then they kind of kick themselves in the future. So it's trusting yourself, I feel like, is very important. And you're thinking, yeah, you could watch videos, take different opinions, and that's what I like doing. If I think something, I like listening to different sides of a story, and then based on all the data I have to my best ability, I will come up with my thoughts and outlooks. So, and I don't feel like you should take any opinion you see out there and make it directly your own, or throw all your thoughts out the window because of it. So to kind of wrap things up, yeah, there's a lot of hidden opportunities out there. I feel like some people, they don't think so anymore because they've been seeing a lot of negativity, or these things or sets or stocks or cryptos have risen in price, all the easy money's been made, the moves. Well, yes, maybe on those things, but there are still opportunities elsewhere. And both ETBs, Pokemon ETBs, booster boxes, whatever it may be. But anyway, just want to make a video, kind of share my thoughts. And to wrap it up, we talked about the hidden opportunities that are still out there. They're plentiful, maybe not as many as before. The fixation people have on, on what's hot, what's new, or what's negative, what's going down. They kind of focus on one extreme or the other. They don't kind of take the whole picture into consideration. That following just the hype on what's new, what's hot, not kind of looking elsewhere and look at the not really talked about sets, products, whatever it may be. Seeing all the videos, all the news, the negativity, and either staying away from things or not following their gut feeling, intuition, or strategy, and then missing out on opportunities that come in the future. And then trusting yourself, learning to keep trusting yourself and letting these other opinions sway you from what you thought. Yeah, they might be right in the long term, but I feel like most of the time trusting yourself is better than taking these other opinions, news articles, and holding them as the facts. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages and bots of all programming languages, HTML, Java, C++, Flash, whoever you are, whatever you are, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.